Welcome to the intricate dance of the cosmos, string theory. Debuting in the late 1960s, it was Italian physicist Gabriele Veneziano who unintentionally stumbled upon the mathematical beginnings of what would later become string theory. Visualize it. Unimaginably tiny strings, vibrating away at scales far smaller than atoms, each dance move defining a different kind of particle. These aren't just any particles, they form everything from gravity to light. The ultimate dream of string theory? To tie the seemingly incompatible realms of quantum mechanics and Einstein's general relativity into a harmonious union, reaching the title of the coveted theory of everything. But here's where it gets even wilder. This framework proposes that our universe may have up to 11 dimensions, with many of them cleverly tucked away from our direct perception. Should string theory's melodies be validated, the very fabric of our understanding will undergo a transformation.